Hey, I'm up at the big patio with Model Homes here at Victory at Verrado, and this is the Turnberry floor plan by William Ryan Homes. I'm gonna walk you through here real quick. I'll note that William Ryan was named Builder of the Year recently. They do have an energy efficient home. This particular one, they have like a guarantee for each floor plan on the maximum monthly that you can expect it to be, and all the driveways and patios are going to have be made of pavers. And this particular floor plan does have the option for a two-bedroom, or not, sorry, for a living space off of the second bedroom, which pops this out here a little bit further. And so we'll go through and take a look. It would have its own entrance. Oop. I'm just gonna take a scan here and then I'm gonna go back. So this floor plan is definitely more narrow than their other sawgrass, which is very, very, very popular. And I've learned that the majority of the homes that they've sold recently are that sawgrass. So they are limited in the number of sawgrass that they can sell from here on out, because they have to offer a good variety within the community. And so that front room, now that it has that optional living area, got rid of the patio that was in front. Okay, so it added about 120 square feet, and it is a nice area for this living space. And so if someone has the need for that space for guests, or if the second bedroom would be occupied on a regular basis, that's a popular upgrade. So this front area has a full, like it's its own little multi-gen suite, right? Bathroom, bedroom, kitchenette. And this is the option for a kitchenette. It doesn't have to have the kitchenette just because it has this living space, but the builder did do that so they could showcase how this might look. And Jim just told me that that area does better as a living space strictly without any kitchenette in it. So you can have a sofa on one side and television on the other. There's a den, laundry and a den. And then I will walk us to the master next. Nice size patio. Lots of light. Once again, this is the back of the house, so on a premium lot, you'd have great views from that bay window, the area where the bay window would go. A no step walk-in shower. Decent sized closet. And then they're showcasing that they have the high performance spray foam, which reduces monthly operational costs, increases comfort, and allows them to offer their energy efficiency guarantee. Okay, once again, Andrew Texidor with HomeSmart. If you'd like me to shoot video of any home, I primarily work the West Valley, Buckeye, and Goodyear, but I'm Phoenix West, basically. I live and work in the far West Valley, so Victory and Verrado are a place I love to feature, as it is a lifestyle community that you can live here and you don't have to go anywhere. You're shopping here, there's all your entertainment, neighbors, athletics, hiking, mountain biking, golf, two great golf courses, and it's a very social community. Andrew Texidor, 602-909-9414 for all your residential real estate needs. I've been licensed since 2000 and I'm here to serve you. Thanks so much.